If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your task list or struggled to visualize your upcoming deadlines, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll walk you through the ClickUp calendar view step by step, so even if you're brand new to ClickUp, you'll know exactly how to set up and use your calendar to organize your tasks in a clear, easy-to-follow way. By the end, you'll know how to create calendar views, see all your scheduled tasks, and quickly add new events with confidence. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your ClickUp workspace. From here, think of the views as different windows into your tasks, almost like switching between list and board modes in other productivity apps, but today we're focusing on the calendar. To set this up, look for the Add View button near the top of your space. It's usually easy to spot, and it's your gateway to customizing how you manage your workload. Click Add View, and from the options that appear, select Calendar. This step is important because it transforms your task list into a visual timeline. Once you click Calendar, ClickUp will magically display any tasks in your folder or list that have dates assigned. Think of it as moving from a text-based checklist to a planner that lets you see when things are actually due. Now, if you've already entered some tasks with due dates, they'll instantly appear in the calendar grid. This is where things get exciting. You'll see your days populate, which is perfect for getting a bird's-eye view of what's coming up. If you haven't added any dates yet, don't worry. The calendar might look empty right now, but you'll learn how to fill it up in just a bit. At the top left of your calendar view, you'll see a drop-down menu. This lets you switch between different time perspectives: today, month, week, 4 days, and day. Each of these options is useful in different scenarios. Maybe you're planning out the entire month and want to see all your deadlines at once, or perhaps you're focusing on just this week to keep things manageable. Take a moment to try switching between views and notice how your tasks rearrange. This flexibility is what makes ClickUp's calendar so powerful. If you want to plan ahead, you can easily jump between months using the arrows near the top. Let's say you're looking forward to next month's project. You can click to move forward and place tasks where they need to go. It's much like flipping ahead in a paper planner. This is especially helpful for handling long-term goals or upcoming events that aren't just around the corner. Now comes my favorite part: adding a new task or maybe an event directly onto the calendar. Just hover your mouse over the date where you want that new task to appear. You'll see a little plus button pop up. Click that plus and a window will open for you to type in your task name. For example, if you want to remind yourself to review a document on Friday, just type the task name right there. It's really that simple, and the task will instantly be scheduled for that day. If you're thinking, wait, what if I want to edit the details, add subtasks, or set a precise time? Don't worry. After creating the task, you can go back in and customize it as much as you need. The key is that the calendar view makes it easy to interact with dates, giving you control and flexibility with just a few clicks. And that's really all there is to it. You've set up your ClickUp calendar, explored how to switch between views, and learned how to add new tasks by date. Remember, organizing tasks visually can make a big difference in how you plan your day, and with a bit of practice, it'll soon feel natural. If this tutorial helped you get started with the calendar view in ClickUp, let me know by liking the video. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. I always love hearing how you use ClickUp, and I'm happy to help with any problems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy planning.